Behind me, I have something completely new and different. I've never had a chance to list a property like this. All right, so what makes this property so unique? Well, first of all, it's brand new construction. Second of all, it's multifamily. That's right, this is a duplex. There's actually 2 residences behind me. And if you look at the history of San Clemente and you try and find new construction multifamily duplex, they are very rare, they hardly exist. And we're in the 200 block, which means we're only a few hundred yards away from Linda Lane Park, Linda Lane Beach, San Clemente Pier, and all the amazing things that San Clemente's beach community has to offer. Come check this place out. Welcome inside. We're in the main floor right now of the front of the duplex. This is Unit A. It's 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. And in this kitchen, living, dining space, one of my favorite features here, 9-foot tall ceilings with a big vaulted section going up to 12+ feet. And the build design team on this project, they did an awesome job on the finishings. Quartz countertops on this island and countertop space, a stainless steel appliance package, very high end, done by Thor. And behind me, through these Andersen windows, that's out towards the ocean. There's a ton of natural light flooding into this property. So with all the finishings, with how comfortable the tall ceilings, how this lives, it really lends itself to an investor who wants to rent out both of these units. This property would rent for close to $6,000 a month, or an investor who wants to live in one and rent the other. This is a prime candidate for that type of buyer. And one of the best spots in this property, the ocean view rooftop deck. Let me take you up there. What's the 3 most important words in real estate? You know it, say it with me. Location, location, location. This property is perfectly positioned, huge ocean views behind me. This rooftop deck is the perfect place to enjoy the weather, the views, and the lifestyle that San Clemente has. All right, so we just looked at Unit A. Welcome to Unit B. This is kind of the queen of the court, if you will. It's larger, 1,800 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and the space here feels just a little bit larger. So you have some options. If you're an owner occupant, you might want this unit. This unit, if you're an investor, rents for a little bit more. This is gonna rent for close to $7,000 a month. So your cap rate on this investment, after you pay your taxes, after you pay your insurance, and a little bit of maintenance each year, this is gonna be about a 4% cap rate, which is extremely good for coastal real estate in San Clemente. And you can see why this unit is finished out just as well as the front, and they've done such a fantastic job of melding everything together. Let's go check out the rest of the property and finish on that rooftop deck. We're upstairs now in Unit B. This is where the primary suite is, and the 2 guest bedrooms, plus a hallway bath and laundry. And one thing I'm picking up on is amazing sight lines. Behind me to the east, I'm looking up at San Clemente's Salvador Summit, and in front of me, out towards the west, a beautiful sunset. And this unit has a rooftop deck too. Let's get up there and check out this sunset. So very rarely do duplex properties have this kind of ocean view. We're talking about 180 degrees panoramic with substantial depth. And up to the east, a beautiful sunset reflection off of the hills in San Clemente Salvador Summit. This property has it all. Come take a look at it with me. Whether you're looking to buy an investment property or even if you want to own or occupy, I think you'll be really impressed by this place. I can't wait to hear from you. We'll see you soon.